The roles, specific roles of each house provided for in Articles 95 and 96, so that there should be no conflicts, And for me, the issue that was raised about lower or upper house, I think should not even preoccupy us. If anything, I think it is diversionary. And sometimes we should leave it for people to enjoy. It happens actually even in other jurisdictions. If you go to London, you find about the House of Lords. The popular refrain there is that it is the largest regular gathering of retirees. So these things are always there. These are jokes. But when you check how the two houses operate and relate to one another, there is a lot of difference. So, because everybody knows their specific area of operation. With regard to laws, let me say that there have been a few laws that have been part of them annulled. But really, the house's function is to make a law. It is the function of the judiciary to interpret. And I think we should not even feel unhappy, because remember, you have played your part. You let the judiciary go and play theirs to do interpretation. The area where there was some little bit of contention was with regard to the application of the provisions of Article 110.3. With regard to, the specific provision is actually quite testing, and I think it's a matter that and I don't want to go into a lot of details because, as you know, there is a matter pending before the Supreme Court, and maybe it would be a bit unfair for me to go into a lot of details. But you just need to look at the specific wording of Article 110, Clause 3. And see, it creates some gray areas, because it says before any House of Parliament considers any bill, the two speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate shall resolve any question as to whether, one, it's a bill concerning counties, two, if it is, whether it's an ordinary bill.